Hello everyone, today let's talk about balanced shift oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has with a spring look. The spring is on the seal. This color is red-brown color and the size is internal diameter is 165 and external diameter is 195. The sink is 18 and 20. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at a low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance and good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, ticking spring. Look there is spring, ticking spring and ticking skeleton. And we can provide customers service. We can customize this color, this size, and this material, this type. So, if you are interested in this project, just send us our inquiries. This is a balanced shift oil seal applicable to heavy truck. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.